Hello guys, welcome to my friend's channel, which is a stupid cameraman. Go fuck yourself, cameraman. And as you can see, we are going to unbox this SentrySafe. Allahu Akbar. Here's the key. Whoa, we're about to see some pretty nice things, man. We got a letter. Okay, cameraman, just look at that for a moment. Alright, back over here, you stupid hoe. As you can see, we got some plenty of stuff. Oh shit. This looks interesting. This looks very interesting. This looks... Fuck is this? This thing's stupid, dude. Fuck this. Well, as you can see, we got some pins. We got pins and a tape. Whoa, we could use this tape for a lot of stuff. Look, look, look. Look, come follow me, follow me, follow me. Well, shit, I'm too weak to take this off. This may take a moment, so please jerk off while you're at it. Oh, well, look. It could camouflage. Whoa! Crazy stuff. Look at this. Whoa! I had an orgasm, but let's go. Now look, with these pins. Look at these pins. I can't take them out because the cameraman might kick my ass, but still. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, well, shit, we just downgraded. We were on a budget. Now, where the fuck is that? Where is it? What the fucking hell? We went on a downgrade, but look. Whoa, look at this, look at this. Look, as you can see, look, 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 look. You know, follow me, follow me. Keep following. You're about to see the most amazing thing ever. Ooh, that's some next level stuff, dude. Better than the PS4 and the Xbox One, right? Right? Well, fuck me, what else? Well, thanks a lot, guys.